Here's a 2016 Mercedes-Benz GLE. It's the dictionary definition of a premium SUV. In it, you'll get lasting luxury and constant capability. It's well equipped with the features you need. Automatic transmission, dynamic select automatic with driver control suspension management, engine auto stop-start feature, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, external memory control, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, voice activation, power telescoping steering column, 4 12-volt power outlets, and V6 engine. Get the best, get Mercedes-Benz. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Well, in this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top-quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.